The Pixel 8 Pro is one slick-looking phone with its glass and metal body, and it even comes with an IP68 rating for protection against dust and splashes. Handy for those little accidents. But the real star of the show here is the 6.7-inch OLED screen. Google calls it a Super Actua display, and it's as bright as a sunny day going up to 2400 nits. This means you can comfortably read your screen outdoors, and the screen can switch up its refresh rate from a battery-saving 1 Hz to a smooth 120 Hz for slick scrolling and gaming. Now, let's talk about the camera. Google's Pixel phones have always had a knack for photography, and the Pixel 8 Pro keeps that tradition alive. It's got a trio of cameras on the back: a 50-megapixel main camera, a 48-megapixel telephoto with 5x optical zoom, and a 48-megapixel ultra-wide with autofocus. The colors are spot on, and the way it captures skin tones is seriously impressive. Night mode is a champ, delivering good shots with great colors and detail. Even the secondary cameras don't disappoint, and video recording has seen some welcome improvements. Under the hood, you'll find the Tensor G3 chip. It's like the engine of the phone, and it's not just about raw power. With 12 gigabytes of RAM and up to 1 terabyte of storage, you've got the muscle and space you need for multitasking and storing all your stuff. But what really sets it apart is its advanced AI capabilities, enhancing everything from photography to voice recognition and overall device optimization, making the Pixel 8 Pro an exceptional all-around performer. There's also a cool built-in temperature sensor. Open the thermometer app, point your phone at something, and it'll tell you the temperature. One of the most exciting things about the Pixel 8 Pro is that Google promises to keep it updated for 7 years. That's not just security updates, but full-blown system updates and those cool Pixel feature drops. The Pixel 8 Pro is backed by a beefy 5050 mAh battery. It'll keep your phone juiced up all day, even if you're a heavy user. Apple really stepped up its game with the iPhone 15 Pro Max's design. They've ditched the stainless steel frame and opted for a sleek brushed titanium body. It's lighter and feels comfortable in your hand. The phone is slightly smaller and a hair thicker than its predecessor, but that's hardly a downside. Plus, it's more durable using tough glass-based materials and ceramic shield for added protection. One of the standout design features is the new USB-C port. It may take some getting used to, but it opens up more high-speed data transfer options. But what really caught our eye is the action button, replacing the silent switch. It's customizable and can perform a range of functions, from turning on the flashlight to launching voice memos. The iPhone 15 Pro Max boasts a stunning display that's both spacious and incredibly high quality. With a 6.7-inch screen, it offers plenty of real estate for all your digital activities. The Super Retina XDR OLED panel delivers vivid and sharp visuals. This means you'll enjoy every detail in your photos, videos, and apps. The wide color gamut provides rich and accurate color representation and ensures deep blacks and sharp contrasts. Whether you're viewing photos, playing games, browsing websites, or watching videos, this display offers a truly immersive and captivating experience. Under the hood, the iPhone 15 Pro Max is powered by the all-new A17 Pro chip, built on a 3-nanometer process. This chip supports hardware ray tracing, delivering excellent graphics. Apple claims it brings console-quality gaming to the iPhone, and we can confirm that it's no empty promise. The camera system is nothing short of remarkable, equipped with triple high-quality sensors that elevate your photography and videography to a whole new level. Apple has continued its commitment to photography excellence with the 15 Pro Max. While the primary 48 megapixels camera sensor may seem familiar, it's been rebuilt to provide even better image quality. Ultra-wide lens captures expansive vistas and wide-angle scenes with stunning clarity. Its broad field of view allows you to fit more into your shots, making it perfect for sweeping landscapes, group photos, or architectural wonders. The 5x optical zoom might disappoint some who were hoping for more, but the image quality at that level is exceptional. Apple's focus on depth and image processing delivers authentic portrait photography and improved low-light and night photography. Plus, Video capture is top-notch, supporting 4K at 60 FPS ProRes for those high-quality video projects. Apple doesn't openly disclose the battery capacity, but the iPhone 15 Pro Max's battery life is impressive. With a combination of processor efficiency and smart power management, it easily manages a full day and more. In our test, it lasted 28 hours, with plenty of room for adjustment based on your usage. The fast charging capability allows you to reach 50% in just 30 minutes. In a nutshell, the iPhone 15 Pro Max is a powerhouse. If you're a photography enthusiast, a mobile gamer, or someone who values an all-around premium smartphone experience, this is the perfect device for you.